How to fix data roaming not working on Samsung. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your roaming data not working on the Samsung Galaxy device. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads as well. So the very first thing you want to do is eject your SIM card tray and reinsert it back again. Doing that can fix many issues related to your mobile network. So that is one of the best ways to fix your problem. But even after doing that, you're still facing the issue. In that case, head over to the settings menu. From settings, scroll down until you find connections. And from your connections, you want to go to mobile networks. From your mobile networks, you want to go to network mode preference and tap on it. Make sure the 5G or LTE is selected and make sure the data roaming is turned on. Once that is done, you want to go over to access point names and tap on the three dots at the top right. Reset it back to default. Tap on reset again and you'll be good to go. After doing so, go back to your settings here, and from here find more connection settings. Make sure that you are not connected to any VPN or DNS networks and go back again. Once that is done, scroll down here and find the general management. Now you're going to have to reset your mobile network settings. You can do that by going over to reset and then go to reset mobile network settings. Tap on reset settings, select your SIM card. So if you have two SIM cards, select each one of them and then tap on reset settings. Now provide your PIN and you should be good to go. After doing all of this, just go ahead and restart your device once. Hold on to your power button and then tap on restart and you should be good to go. That is pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.